Okay guys, I have the Hoover. Hi, for fixes again. Was Monday, which means trash comes Tuesday, so I got my trash come out and put some this card in. Thick and send down. But I'm gonna put it back in real quick. So I want to sit on you guys. I'm gonna try that some Roblox videos up and stuff on my channel. Don't know not I will be or what day. But I'm gonna try to have some. Let me see, got some quick. The hose. That's the hose. Now, if you forget this machine, if you have one, put that on hose, it will pick up, it will not pick up the dot. Go. I got the machine. That one, I was told that the model was broken, so I never used this machine. Yes, the before it was Kevin. It was before when it was birthday, so I had party, so I had to be. I don't know. So I took that pan, and here I got the old bounty base. This machine had the stupid baby carriage machine. Not machine, but the thing it had this stupid kind of door. I hate it. That thing was broken. That's why it was bad. My motor in this was not bad, it's just a buffing. I also the motor was bad. So I threw away the bumpers and I would got a bucket vacuum like that, the piece it broke. So I scrubbed it out with the bumpers in this vacuum here. Because this looked pretty good. Okay. Well guys, I'm gonna pick up a Roblox thing to me real quick. I don't know if I can try to. Crap, I forgot my Roblox name. Well guys, I'm hitting the Roblox. Beat out.